Here we've got the guava tree, Guava in Shona. It's now quite very common. If it even grows wild after seed spacing with birds, yes, of course, but also humans. But apparently this is very good besides the fruits. Most people know about the fruits, and all along people have said they are good for cough and flu. You boil the leaves, mix with this and that, but there is more to it, because like diarrhea, you can actually stop diarrhea using these leaves, like the fresh ones here. You can macerate them, quarter cup, add a full cup of boiling water, let blend, stir, sieve, and you can stop diarrhea. Then you can still add your sugar and salt into there to make the sugar salt solution, which will cover for the electrolytes that would have been lost during diarrhea. So this is good for that. Then also the skin, it is very, very good for the skin. It acts as an exfoliator and also as an astringent. Same with hair, it is very good for the scalp because it eliminates the dandruff causing pathogens, and hence you can even use it for your bath water. You've got your guava tree, you can just add that to your bath water. Then the fruits as well, they're full of vitamin C, which is an antibiotic or an antimicrobial, which people should have, especially this time of the season that we're getting to winter with all the colds. And then so basically that's the guava. You can also use it to alleviate or to treat toothache by just grinding the tender leaves and placing that onto the aching tooth. Or you can actually use this for oral health, just chewing these leaves there, just chewing as you go. You actually feel the astringent property holding onto your mouth. Then some also use this for piles. Say you've got your piles there, then you have your cyst bath where you make a tea from these leaves, then you sit in that tea whilst it's in the bucket or in a cyst bath. It helps to contract the skin cells. That's the astringent property. So that's another use of the guava leaf or guava tree.